Viewers, if you visit any of the Arab countries, you will notice one country topping the list in the medical sector, where its women, young girls, and men are extremely common, providing services as nurses and ambulance attendants. Today, we are traveling to the Philippines. This country is the second largest archipelagic nation in the world. Its people work primarily for themselves, they earn and spend on themselves. They know how to enjoy good food, wear good clothes, and travel the world very well. It is the largest supplier of nurses in the world. Its women are prominent in every field, whether good or bad. Specifically, in Arab countries, you will find women from the Philippines involved in good restaurants, hotels, resorts, dance clubs, and all the other good and bad professions you can imagine. In today's video, we will inform you about the people of the Philippines, their culture, and their food and drink. Therefore, be sure to watch the video until the end. We request all new viewers to subscribe, share, and like our channel. Let us begin the video. The Philippines, officially the Republic of the Philippines, is the second largest island country in the world. It is an archipelago consisting of 7,641 islands. The climate of the Philippines is divided into two seasons, wet and dry, or cold and hot in local terms. I must inform you that rain occurs all year round, regardless of the season. The Philippines is considered a middle-income country. Evidence of poverty and clutter is quite visible across the nation. Due to the hot and humid weather, the people of the Philippines, both men and women, are often seen wearing shorts and shirts. However, the people here are extremely hospitable and cheerful. The total area of the Philippines is 300,000 square kilometers. 0.61% of this country's area is covered by water. The country is broadly classified into three major geographical divisions, extending from north to south: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The Philippines is bordered by the South China Sea to the west, the Philippine Sea to the east, and the Celebes Sea to the south. Its maritime borders include Taiwan to the north, Japan to the northeast, Palau to the east and southeast, Indonesia to the south, Malaysia to the southwest, Vietnam to the west, and China to the northwest. The country's capital is Manila City, which is extremely beautiful and a major tourist attraction. The total area of this city is 42.84 square kilometers, and its total population is about 1,845,186 people. This makes it the second most populous city in the Philippines. As of 2019, it was considered the most densely populated city in the world. Manila was the country's first chartered city, designated on July 31, 1901, through the Philippine Commission Act No. 183. It is also considered the original set of global city. Manila is also the most populous and fastest-growing city in Southeast Asia. Viewers, this city contains countless places worth seeing. Foreign tourists often try to stay in this city. Millions of visitors come every year to see this city. The Philippines is a country where you cannot drive faster than 100 kilometers per hour. Driving too fast will result in a heavy fine and a temporary ban on driving. If the speed is excessively high, the driver's license may be permanently revoked. The Philippines is also one of the countries with the most volcanoes in the world. Many of its volcanoes are active throughout the year, spewing ash and smoke. A large number of tourists come to see these volcanoes. The settlements near the mountains often fall victim to eruptions. Every year, volcanic eruptions cause significant damage in the Philippines, sometimes in the form of earthquakes and sometimes fires. According to a report, the Philippines is the only country in the world where earthquakes are recorded every day. Due to earthquakes, many buildings in the Philippines collapse every year, and thousands of people are injured or killed. Esteemed viewers, the Philippines is the largest supplier of nurses worldwide. You will find Filipino women in the health sector of almost every country in the world, and even Filipino men contribute significantly. You will mostly see Filipinos in Arab countries like Dubai, Bahrain, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait, often managing ambulance services. According to a report, Filipinos are among the people who cause the fewest road accidents in the world. Filipinos gladly accept restaurant jobs and other simple work in Arab countries, and they are warmly welcomed by locals. Filipinos are known for their love of wearing the best clothes and eating the best food. Spending on themselves is part of their nature. They are also known for working until their dying breath to earn for themselves. The flag of the Philippines consists of 3 colors, blue, white, and red. In the white triangle, there is a sun and 3 stars at the corners. The flag's arrangement signifies the country's status. If there is peace, i.e., no tension with any country, the flag remains as it is. If there is tension or conflict, the red color is moved to the top and the blue color to the bottom. This indicates that the country is experiencing a problem or conflict. Filipino women are so beautiful that they are talked about all over the world. Filipino women have won the Miss Universe title 3 times and the Miss World title once. Filipino women are known for their friendly nature towards everyone, which is why they are very popular. Looking at the total population of the Philippines, there are 114,163,719 people residing here. In terms of population, this country is the 12th largest in the world. The ethnic composition includes 26% Tagalog, 8.1% Cebuano, 8% Ilocano, 7.9% Bicolano, 6.5% Hiligaynon/Ilonggo, and the remaining 20.3% belonging to other ethnic groups. Regarding religion, Christians are the majority at 85.3%, followed by Islam at 6.4%, and the remaining 8.2% belonging to other religions. The largest city in the Philippines is Quezon City. This city was named on October 12, 1939, after the second president of the Philippines. The total area of this city is 171.71 square kilometers. The total population of this city is 2,960,048 people. According to the last census in 2020, it is the most populous city in the Philippines. This city has countless extremely famous and spectacular places. This city is extremely modern and beautiful. Business is booming in this city, and people from all over the Philippines come to the capital Manila and this city for work. The national languages of the Philippines are Filipino, based on Tagalog, and English. Tourists coming from other countries do not face any difficulty communicating here. In 1543, the Spanish explorer Ruy López de Villalobos named the archipelago the Philippines in honor of Philip II of Spain. Spanish colonization began in 1565 via Mexico, resulting in the Philippines becoming part of the Spanish Empire and a key trading hub for the West. The Philippine Revolution ended with the Spanish-American War in 1898. Spain ceded the territory to the United States. The country finally gained its independence from the United States in 1946, shortly after World War II. The Philippines is also known for a prevalent, open relationship culture. Sadly, many children are born into these relationships and may not know their biological father. The culture of marriage is less common than open relationships. The country has a visible and widespread nightlife scene. Dance bars and venues for adult entertainment are open all night and are a source of entertainment for many. Unfortunately, many of the women working in these environments are often mothers with children from previous relationships. Following Thailand, the Philippines is often cited as a country with many such establishments. Consumption of alcohol, beer, and wine is common. The president of the Philippines is Bongbong Marcos, who became the country's leader on June 30, 2022. The national dish of the Philippines is adobo, which is prepared with pork, beef, or chicken, using seafood, soy sauce, and vegetables. Filipinos love eating with their hands. Rice and noodles are among their favorite foods. It is common to see local people consuming beer or wine instead of water during social gatherings. The national bird of the Philippines is the Philippine eagle. The national animal of the Philippines is the carabao, water buffalo. The national fruit of the Philippines is the mango, and the national tree here is the nara tree. The Philippines celebrates its National Day on June 12, marking its independence. The entire country observes a holiday on this day, with people engaging in enjoyment and parties. The international calling code for the Philippines is +63, and the internet domain name is .ph. Driving in the Philippines is on the right side of the road. Despite an extensive network of roads and beautiful bridges across the country, traffic issues are constant. The country also has train and tram systems, and work is underway on many metro projects. There are more than 70 airports across the country, with 8 being international and the rest catering to domestic travel. Philippine Airlines is the country's national airline, carrying millions of passengers every year. Viewers, in the Philippines, you will witness every kind of natural beauty, including beautiful natural forests, lush green plains, snowy mountains, in high altitudes, and beautiful waterfalls. Foreign tourists immensely enjoy and are often surprised by the natural beauty here. The sea water of the Philippines is extremely clean and blue. The country's islands are crowded with tourists during the summer. The Philippines is a relatively affordable country, allowing foreign tourists to enjoy more with less money. Esteemed viewers, this was our short documentary on the Philippines. Please share your opinions in the comment box. We request all new viewers to subscribe, share, and like our channel. We will meet with another excellent video soon.